Hey, it's Gary from GreatestSkills.com. We're going to plug a tire here. Now this screw that's in the tire was put there by me as an emergency roadside fix. The air was leaking out. I could go maybe 5 miles before I got to the gas station to pump it up, and it was totally flat again. So went in the car, got a screwdriver, actually drove the screw into the hole, and it temporarily fixed the tire. It's been holding air for 2 days now with it in there, but I'm going to put a plug in it. Now it's kind of close to the sidewall. It's not really the most ideal place to put one, and the tire, I definitely wouldn't do it on a newer tire. If it was a newer tire with good tread, I would patch it instead, but it's an older tire. It's only got to last, I don't know, maybe a couple more months, and that's it. We're going to get rid of it. So in this case, we're going to plug it. So first thing we're going to do is yank the screw out that I put in there. Get some glue here. Get a little bit of glue inside the hole. And get one of these plugs. These are the good professional ones that the tire shops use, made by, I think, a company called Camel. Okay, you take the plug, put it in like that, the groove, the tire of the plug tool. Dip it in the glue, and then pull it out and shove the thing in all the way in. I don't know if you can see that, but just about that far in is fine. And then pull the tool out. And that'll do it. She's fixed. And you can just drive right away with that. Alright? No bubbles, just got to air it up, and we should be good to go.